Hi everyone. With this video, I am going to show you how to navigate Google Classrooms. Um, in case you forgot, since you haven't had to use it for a while. I'm logged on to Maura's account, so I'm going to show you from a student perspective how to do it. So when you log on to Gmail or Google, you might have your Gmail up. You're going to click these 9 dots in the corner, the Google Apps dots, to get to Google Classroom. So I'll click on Google Classroom, and I'm in Maura's Google Classroom now. These are the classes Maura is in. Miss Looker invited her to join 3B Math, so she'll click join, and Mr. O'Connell invited her to join his homeroom and his science class. Miss Maura is already a member of my ELA class, so she'll click on that. Okay. And this is what it looks like right now. In order to get to your ELA assignments, a lot of times they'll pop up right here, right? I posted a new assignment, Distance Learning Week 1. If it's not here, you can click on classwork. And click ELA. And this is Distance Learning Week 1. So I'll try to call all of these Distance Learning Week 1, Week 2, Week 3, however many weeks we're going to be doing this. Right now, the directions say test run just for Maura because this is a test run. So if I want to do this activity, I'm going to click on it. Okay. And remember, when we do our essays, okay, it's always over here. So you don't even need to click add or create because it's already created for you, your work, okay? So please keep that in mind. Whoops. I don't want this. So when you're ready, you're going to click on your work, and it says Maura Wilson, Distance Learning Week 1. Okay, and I'm going to try to put all the work in one place if it's not the Google Forms. And these are the two of the assignments I have set for you for this week. Okay, so you'll click here, you'll do the assignments, and there are directions on how to do the assignments elsewhere. So keep that in mind. But I just wanted to show you how to access this. So you'll do this activity on Tuesday and this one on Wednesday. When you're done, remember it saves by itself, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't need to share it with me. I already have it. Okay, so when you're finished, you can just X out. Okay, so if Maura does a little bit on Tuesday, and then wants to come back in Wednesday, she can use the same document. You don't have to make a new one. Okay, all of your changes will be on there. Okay, when you're finished all those assignments, you can click turn in like always. Okay, if I want to go back to the main page, I click on 3B. If I want to look at some old work, I can show my parents all the essays I wrote this year. But the distance learning stuff is going to be down here under ELA. Okay. If you have a question about it, you can write something here. You can communicate on here if you want right now, as long as you keep it appropriate and kind and respectful, because I know you're probably missing your classmates as well. But yeah, this is pretty easy. Same as always. You'll go into classwork and click on the assignment and do the work, okay? If Maura wants to go back to all of her classes, say she wants to go to do her math work, she'll just go click these 3 dots and click classes, or 3 lines, I'm sorry. And she can go into her math class or her science class, okay? So that is a nice little tour of Google Classrooms. If you have any questions, we'll help you figure that out over the course of the next few weeks.